Hi guys, it's Gabby and welcome back to my channel. I've got that exciting monthly video today, which is our July mystery kit and sub box reveal video. So if you don't want any spoilers and you haven't received your box yet, well, you wouldn't have because we haven't sent them out, but if you don't want to see what's in the box, then don't watch. But for those of you that do, keep watching. So I thought we'd go through the sub box first. As you can probably tell already, it's got a very celestial feel, gorgeous pinks and purples and blues, stars, moons, all of that kind of stuff. So I might just put it all aside and we can go through everything one by one. So the very first thing you get is this gorgeous paper clip in a bow. It's got that really pretty wide paper clip. It's got a gold glitter center, and then we've actually got our own print on the ribbon with the stars that we designed, which I think is really cool. That's the paper clip, and then of course you get the backing card. Next is the washi tape. It comes all plastic wrapped, but I've obviously just taken it off. And again, it's a gorgeous star pattern. I'll just zoom in. Like that, again with the gold stars and the purples and blue washes of colour in the background. Next, you have your gorgeous pen with all this kind of holographic glitter in the top there. You've got gold hardware, and then it's probably hard to see on camera, but it's sort of like a pearlescent white, and it's a ballpoint pen that just twists out like that. So that is the pen. Next is something new that we haven't included in our sub boxes before, and it's an enamel pin. So it's just an enamel pin. It's got a few different colors. It's obviously a planet with some stars. The back of it is just your normal pin. I'm going to be using these myself to put on my backpack when we go traveling, but you can put it on pencil cases, on denim jackets. So I'm going to also include it with the other pins that we've got in our shop at the moment. So I'll just show you. So we've got these also in our shop, and I thought that putting those on my backpack would be a really cool idea. So yeah, I love that pin. I hope you guys really like that inclusion as well. Next, you have your quote cards, and for these I'm really excited because for the first time we've got holographic foil, which is so pretty with the stars. So this one just says, "The darkest nights produce the brightest stars." This one says, "Feeling beautiful," focusing, "Feeling beautiful has nothing to do with what you look like, I promise," and that's an Emma Watson quote. This says, "You are made of stardust and wishes and magical things." This is, "I'm going to make everything beautiful, everything around me beautiful. That will be my life." This one says, "Grateful for where I'm at, excited about where I'm going." I love that foil. This one says, "She loved her life and it loved her right back." Let's see if I can do a close up so you can see the foil. Oh, it's so pretty. And then of course you've got the backing card. Next you have your sticker album. So it's got the stars on the front and the back, and then the interior is this gorgeous kind of constellation pattern, and on the back as well, which is really pretty. Then your divider tabs. As usual, you get 12, and these ones are just a little bit different. So when you fold them over, you've got that kind of shooting star shape, which I think is really pretty. Those are your divider tabs, and then of course you also get the backing card. Then the sticky note. So again, sticking with the theme, it's a planet, and then the ring is actually again in that holographic foil, which I think is so pretty, and you get obviously quite a few sheets with that as well. That's your sticky note. Next you have your stickers. As usual, you get 7 sheets of stickers, and then the 8th sheet is your divider tab titles. So the first sheet you get your 6 full half boxes and your appointment labels. You've got a deco sheet, your weekend banner, some appointment labels, heart checklists, habit trackers, and some more headers. Then you get your to-do and today headers, some flags, and then 4 more full boxes. You get your glitter headers and all of your icons. You get your washi strips and then some little things and some more heart checklists, and then some arrows. Your date covers, some more round icons, and then just a little bit more deco. And then your divider tab headers. Those are the stickers. Then you get your notebook, which is just another gorgeous pattern, and it's just blank on the inside. Starting from August, the notebook will actually have like a dot grid on the inside, which I think will be a lot more helpful and useful, but this is still like a really gorgeous notebook. Then your die cuts, and I'll just go ahead and lay them all out as usual. There you go, and there are all of your die cuts. So as usual, you've got some girls and then some floral bits and pieces. You've got this little Polaroid camera, a candle, some of the moon phases, planets, stars, and just some floral bits and pieces as well. So I really like those. I think they're really pretty die cuts, so I hope you guys like them too. And then finally, the papers. As usual, you get 6 sets of papers, so 2 of each patterns, and then a vellum and an acetate. So this is the first paper, so you've just got these sort of seeds in the background with some clouds and some gorgeous kind of gold glitter dots. And then on the back, you've got that star pattern. So you get 2 of those. And then the next sheet are these planets with the stars, and this one's got the holographic foil, which I just love it. Look at that, so pretty. As you can see, also our patterns are now more of a horizontal layout rather than a vertical, because of a lot of people using them as travelers notebooks, dashboards, and when you fold them it just looks so much better like that as a horizontal pattern. But I think you can also use it as a vertical, so hopefully we've sort of catered for everyone. So yeah, that's your holographic foil sheet, and then on the back you've got this more celestial theme. Then you get 2 of those, and then this gorgeous geometric one again with the holographic foil. Oh, so pretty. And then on the back it's just these clouds. So again, you get 2 of those, and then your vellum again is just this really pretty planet and stars pattern. I think that's gorgeous. And then your acetate, you've got all of the moon phases, and I actually think these 2 go really well together. So if you put it like that, you can just sort of see the moon coming through, or the other way around. I think they work really well together. So that is the July sub box. I really hope you guys love it. I don't know, I say this every month, but I actually think it's one of my favourite, and I think it's probably because it's the first time we've used this holographic foil, and I'm just sort of a bit obsessed. So yeah, now we'll move on to the mystery kit, which is really exciting as well. So from this month onward, the mystery kits have really changed up their format, and we've included a couple of extras for the first time, and it's going to be the same going forward. So you don't pay any extra in price, but we've included a couple of new things. So let's get into it. So the mystery kits are now in our new format, and for our normal kits in the shop, the new format has brought the kits down from 8 pages to 7 pages, but you're still receiving the same amount of stickers. And so it's happened with the mystery kit as well. It was 9 pages, but it's now 8 pages, but you're actually receiving more stickers in that 8 pages than you were before, just because of the layouts and everything. So if you're wondering why you're only receiving 8 pages, I think it'll be easy to notice that we've actually just compressed everything onto 8 rather than 9. So of course, as usual, you get your sampler, and we've just got some deco, an organized icon, coffee date, a juice icon, desk, some bows, and a little hydrate water bottle. And then the new bits that are included in the mystery kit, the first thing you get is actually a foiled journaling card, which is gorgeous. So this one says, "Be who you are, not what the world wants you to be." So yes, that is an A6 size foiled journaling card, which I think is so pretty. You could put it on a dashboard, you could put it on your desk, maybe even frame it. And then the other new sheet is actually some foiled stickers, and these are on clear paper. So you've just got these beautiful floral deco stickers, and then these are header overlays. So when you have like your headers on top of your full boxes or anywhere on your spread, you can actually add these. I'll show you, my next video will be a plan with me using the mystery kit, so you'll be able to see how I use these. But I just thought they were a really pretty addition to the mystery kit, so I really hope you guys love them as well. So for the actual kit, I'll just show you the new layout. So as you can see, it's very kind of subtle and feminine, and it's more of a photography kit this month. So the first page that you get 8 normal heart checklists, your sidebar, Monday to Sunday sticker, some appointment labels, 2 of these post-it stickers, drawing pins, habit trackers, sidebar headers, icons, flags, all of that usual stuff. Then on the second sheet, you've got your to-do and today headers, your glitter headers, bill dues, appointment labels, all of your icons, and 2 weekend banners. Then these are your really pretty full boxes. So as you can see, a lot of it is this gorgeous, really feminine photography, and then we've kind of added in some gold glitter, these beautiful kind of deco flowers. As you can see, there's like a little overlay there that we've included of like some white flowers, and then this beautiful girl, and then the quote card says give yourself time, and then you've got an open box that you can use to put kind of more of different stickers on, and then you've got some block headers here. So as you can see, you're now getting 9 full boxes in a mystery kit rather than 8. Then you have your to-do boxes, and then another sidebar sticker, and then some more appointment labels. Then your half and quarter boxes and your little things. Your bottom washi and washi strips. This is your date cover and deco sheet, and you've just got a whole load of floral deco as well. And then the last sheet, this is your double box sheet, and you've also got some more headers, and the other new thing that we've included are all of these script stickers. So you've got things that say day off, cancelled, rescheduled, but first, coffee, no bra day, just breathe, YouTube binge, no spend, fail, messy bun, and getting things done. So just lots of different kind of script stickers that you can include in your planner as well. So yes, that is the new format mystery kit. I hope you guys really like it, and going forward this is what it's going to be, and every month we'll include some extras, so some foil stickers, journaling cards, there might be other things coming. So let me know what you think of the mystery kit, the extras, and also the sub box. I hope you guys like it. Would love to hear your feedback. As of today, which is the 17th of July, we still do have spots available for both, but they are filling up really quickly, so they're available until the 25th of July. So if you want to subscribe, head on over to our website, which is linked down below. And until my next video, I'll talk to you guys then. Bye!